how will you react to this comment?
I think that you've got to look at how hard the players worked. I think a couple of the players who I took off in terms of they were running on a bit of empty gas. So playing against Kotoko, you need a lot of energy. You need a lot of stamina as such. So I thought that fresh legs would be better than to keep the players on, because obviously we need to be compact and remain defensive. So
would you say you are disappointed?
No.
With a draw?
No, definitely not. We just played the champions of the Ghana Premier League. The first time we played, we lost 3-1. So it'd be strange for me to be disappointed. I think we've grown a lot. So yeah, I'm extremely pleased with the result.
Any advice to your opponent, Asante Kotoko, ahead of the CAF Champions League?
No advice. I think they've got they've got a very good coach. They've got a very good technical team. They've got a good playing body. So I don't think I have to give any advice in terms of what they're doing and how they're doing things. They're doing very well, obviously.
All right, coach. This is your first season in the Ghana Premier League. You ended the campaign with 45 points, which is quite impressive. What was your biggest challenge the entire campaign?
I think obviously our away games. We struggled a little bit in terms of the atmosphere, the pressure around the environment, etc. But I think we started to grow a little bit in terms of our away games. So I'd probably say away games. For sure.
All right, so in Zambia, you've also had a very good campaign, crowned it with an invite to the local Blasters. Now there are rumors out there that Asante Kotoko is interested in you. What do you make of that?
Yeah, I've heard about it, and it's good. Like, people appreciate what you do, and I'm calm with it.
Would you join them if they can call you?
Yeah.